Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I thought, yes, there's a tent in my living room. We were trying to be cool parents last night. So I get a lot of DMs asking me, and on Snapchat, asking me how I make my protein shakes or what I do for breakfast shakes, sometimes as like a meal replacement. I'm not really a breakfast person, so this is the best way I can get my nutrients in the morning. So I figured I would show you guys what I do. So if you're interested in how I make my protein shakes, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is everything that I put in my shakes. I like to fill this up just about a little less than halfway with water and ice. And then I put 2 scoops of my protein in. This is the whey protein. I do 2 tablespoons of the PB Fit just to give it a little bit of flavor. This is pretty low in carbs and sugar, so I feel like if I don't add this, it tastes pretty dry. I'll put in 4 ounces of egg whites for my protein, and then usually I just have spinach, but I have this one, the spinach and spring mix, and I'll just pick out a half cup of spinach. But feel free to adjust it according to you and your macros and your taste buds. But I am still cutting for the fitness competitions. This is the best way for me to get in my protein, lower carbs, and low fat. All right, y'all, that is how it looks with everything in it. And to be honest, you don't even taste the spinach. So if you're kind of skeeved out by that, don't worry. So good, so good. And like I said, make sure you adjust it according to you and your macros. This is just what fits mine. And you can get creative. You can add bananas, you could add peanut butter, almond milk, anything along those lines. Different flavored protein as well. I have a vanilla one that I use sometimes, and I'll just use that with peanut butter. So it really varies, but get creative, have fun, and hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.